Ooh, what's this?
This is a rowing machine. You pull on these handles and move your body back and forth. Like so.
Rowing is great exercise.
Give it a try, Dada Go.
This control panel has over 500 settings that act like real water. Just choose one you like and get rowing.
How about this one? I think it's stuck. Just a little harder. I think it's stuck. Oh!
Ooh, that's not how Mama Make did it.
That shouldn't be happening. We'd better see what's wrong.
Is it broken?
Dada Go just set it to frozen ocean by mistake. That's the toughest setting of them all.
Maybe you should try something with less buttons, Dada Go.
Yes, less buttons. Aha! A treadmill. That's perfect.
This treadmill fits 2 runners. And it's voice activated. Just tell it to start, and it starts.
Start.
This is fun, like running around in the park.
And it's faster than rowing.
Faster.
Huh? Why is it going faster?
Faster.
Ah!
We'll save you, Dada. Whatever you do,
Don't say that word, Mya.
What word, Dada?
Faster.
Faster.
Quick! Pull the emergency lever.
Wait.
Are you all right, Dada Go?
Yes, but I might need to build up fitness before I do more running.
I had no idea you could make balloon animals, Dada Go.
Balloon animals?
This way, Dada Go.
No, Miss Teach, you don't understand.
Children, come and get your balloon animals. Good luck, Dada Go.
Oh, right, great, no problem. Why don't you take the orders, Mya, and I'll get started.
What animal would you like, Tummy Stop?
Dinosaur, please.
I'd like a monkey. And I'd like an elephant. 1 dinosaur, 1 monkey, and an elephant.
Okay, Mya. How hard can this be? Whoops. Oh, luckily I've plenty more.
Looks like Dada Go's very busy.
Well, if I twist it this way, and then I twist it that way, and then... Aha! There you are. Our first order, ready to go.
What animals are these, Dada?
That's the monkey, the dinosaur, and the elephant. Right, better get on.
This is your dinosaur. Having a sleep after a long day. So, this is your monkey, doing a roly-poly. And this is your elephant, doing some lovely ballet dancing.
Diddly-dally-o, a Frankie-Pangy-o.
Who's this now?
This is the prince the king wants our princess to marry.
He seems a bit silly.
Oh, he's very silly, all right.
She's running away.
That's right. She'd rather be alone than without her true love.
What's happening now?
The princess is lost in the forest.
That doesn't sound good. Look, a dragon! Why doesn't she run? Run away! It's a dragon! She can't hear me.
Don't worry, Mya. Look.
La-ta-de-da!
Besto, besto, alla dici besto!
What happened?
Oh, it's all sorted out now.
What's this? It's Santa Claus. How did Santa fit all those presents in there? Mya and her family are going to have a very Merry Christmas this year.
Ho, ho, ho! Milk and cookies!
Santa?
Oh, dear. Phew, I'll just take these for the journey. Ho, ho, ho! What was that? Well, I better get this little one to bed. Come on, Mya.
Oh, it's Christmas morning at last, and Mya Go has slept right through the night.
Dada, wake up!
Huh? What's going on?
We fell asleep. What if Santa didn't get inside?
Oh, we can check under the Christmas tree.
Hooray!
What's all the noise, Mya?
He was here! He was here!
Oh, wonderful.
We still don't know how he was able to get inside with the presents.
I'm afraid we'll never really know the answer, Mya.
It's okay if we don't know, because we know that Santa knows.
I think you're right. Now, let's see what Santa's brought us, shall we?
Good old Santa. When it comes to making people happy, he always delivers.
Ho, ho, ho!
Everyone else seems to be having a fabulous time.
Very original indeed, Tommy, and not the easiest costume to dance in with those flippers.
I'm not dancing. I'm swimming, Miss Teach. Watch out. Here comes a big scary fish.
Okay, who's next?
Arr, shiver me timbers.
Wonderful, Mya. If I didn't know it was you, I'd think there was a real pirate in the room.
I am a real pirate, which is why I'm so scary. Arr!
Mya seems to have impressed Miss Teach.
Ah, Sophie Play and Lucy Help. You are by far the scariest teapot and teacup I've ever seen.
Oh, banana coming through.
And what do we have here? Who's inside this costume, then? What did they say?
I don't know.
Well, a talking banana is scary enough for me. I wouldn't want to find you in my fruit bowl. Okay, then. I think I've seen everybody. All I have to do now is pick a winner. That's not going to be easy at all. Everybody scored very highly. Oh.
How will Miss Teach choose the best costume when they're all so good?
Goodness me. This little ghost just gave me a fright.